My dear brothers and sisters, Saint Mark the Evangelist has described quite vividly the scene on the occasion of the birthday of Herod. You can imagine the entire scene. Imagine, because we too have our birthdays, be they the first birthday, the 21st birthday, whatever it is, you can imagine the whole entire scene. There was so much of life in that scene. And Herod, I'm sure, was in high spirits. That is why what he said, what he did there was a harsh thing. Harsh because he gave an oath to please Herod's daughter. Was he happy with that oath? We heard in the latter part, he was sorry for what he had said. So what does this incident, in a way, looking at Herod's lifelong character in the gospel, teach us? Never to be hasty in making decision. When we are depressed, we do make decisions which are not right ones. At times we do no longer live to recall a decision, because sometimes we take such a harsh decision that we even end up our life because we are so depressed and depressed and depressed. We know so many instances that happen, person was depressed and he ended his life, he or she. At times we are so elated. I feel so much joy. So we say, okay, like for example, when you come for Mass, when you hear a preacher, and we said, okay, I will do this, and I will do that, and I will do that. When I go back home, oh, why did I make that promise? I should not have. St. Ignatius Loyola tells us in the spiritual exercise how and when to make a decision. He says, when a mind is stable, equilibrium, then take a decision. And then you'll realize that the decision you've taken is the right one, because you're neither influenced by so-called consolations nor by desolations. The Spirit is there which gives you the right attitude, the right mind to take a decision. Like when we take decisions regarding starting a business, or starting going to this school and that school, whatever it is, for our children or for ourselves or getting married. Let's take decisions when our mind is stable and realize we are at that time doing God's will and not our own will. We won't be able to do our own will if we are depressed. That is at that moment, passing one. Or we do our own will when we are like elated, our business going up and up and up, and I would like to branch in this. Or we are going depressed and depressed and depressed, or let us give up this and give up this. So let's today ask God to help us. Help us always to do His will. And we'll do His will provided our mind is at peace and we have His within His Spirit, not other spirits. His Spirit. When you have His Spirit, He'll guide us to make the right choices in life.